Think you know Baccarat? Think again. Today, we're busting the 5 biggest Baccarat myths that keep players losing, while the smart ones walk away winners. Whether you're brand new or you've played 100 rounds, one thing's for sure. Most players still believe at least one of these myths. And by the end of this video, you'll see Baccarat completely differently, and probably win differently too. Myth number 1. Always follow the streak. Sure, you've heard it 1,000 times. Banker is on a run. Keep riding it. But here's the truth. Past outcomes don't change the odds of the next hand. Following streaks feels smart, but it can trap you into chasing losses. Want a better approach? Track your bankroll, not the shoe. A controlled betting plan beats superstition every time. Myth number 2. The tie bet is a gold mine. The payout looks juicy, until you remember the house edge is over 14%. Tie wins feel exciting, but they drain your stack fast. Unless you're following a specific ratio strategy like the James Bond system, stay focused on player and banker, where the smart money lives. Myth number 3. Betting systems guarantee wins. Martingale, 1-3-2-6. They're tools, not magic. Do they help manage risk? Absolutely. Can they erase risk? Never. Real Baccarat success comes from discipline, not doubling down on desperation. Myth number 4. The casino rigs the shoe. Online or offline, Baccarat follows strict dealing procedures and RNG standards. What feels like a pattern is just the human brain looking for meaning. Instead of fighting the cards, learn how to read momentum and use smart bet sizing. Myth number 5. Only bet banker. Yes, banker has a small statistical edge, but the 5% commission changes things. Instead of blindly spamming banker, mix player bets into your plan, especially if you're using sequences like 1-3-2-6 or 3-2. Balanced strategies equals longer gameplay plus better profit chances. So now that you know the truth, you're already ahead of 90% of players. But here's the real question. What's the one Baccarat strategy that pros won't tell you about? That's exactly what we're breaking down in the next video. Before you go, drop a comment. Which myth did you believe before today? Like, subscribe, and head to Avantage Baccarat to experience the game the way champions do. Play smart, play confident, and I'll see you in the next round.